Hi all, who would not like to finish up cooking quick? How about a scrumptious meal in 30 minutes? Here I am with delicious mushroom biryani using Instant Pot under 30 minutes. Let's see how I make it. As a pre-prep, I have crushed 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger and 2 green chilies along with onions. Also, I have finely crushed tomatoes, you may chop them too. Turn on saute mode in Instant Pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Then add crushed onions, garlic, ginger and green chilli and saute them well. Now I am adding finely crushed tomatoes. After giving a good mix, add finely chopped handful of coriander and mint leaves, handful of green peas and chopped mushrooms. To this add 2.5 tablespoons of homemade Biriyani Masala. I have already uploaded the video, please check the link in the description box. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder and half teaspoon of Turmeric Powder and then 2 tablespoons of curd. After mixing it well, squeeze half a lemon to it. Then add 1 cup Basmati rice which I have washed and soaked for 20 minutes and then drain the water. After mixing it up gently, now add 1.5 cup of water. To this add salt as per your taste. Once it starts to boil lightly, close the Instant Pot lid. Now turn the pan to sealing position, cancel the saute mode and pressure cook for 4 minutes. After it is done, let the pressure naturally release for 10 minutes, then cancel it and quick release the pressure. Open the lid and mix it up gently. It's now ready to serve. I have given all the details in the description box below. Please check it out and try this one pot mushroom biryani and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.